Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a brief introduction to the following Agile frameworks. First, is Scrum. The Scrum features first include a Scrum team cannot exceed 7 people. Second is product backlog. The list containing all product requirements maintained by the Scrum team. Third is product owner. It determines product functions or requirements, determines development priorities, and should ensure that the project continues to meet requirements. And fourth, the Scrum team meets daily to review progress and prioritize the work to be completed that day. And fifth, the Scrum Master is responsible for guiding the Scrum team in its effective use and ensuring that the Scrum team is not distributed. And six is to understand how much of the backlog can be completed and the team's sprint velocity. And seven is the sprint development interaction. Is the software equipment that is delivered from a sprint. And next is Lean. Lean first provide product for a value to customers. Second is value stream, which emphasizes analyzing and improving processes in the value stream. And third is process optimization and reduction of waste. Fourth, lean production means maximizing efficiency during production and making high-quality products. And fifth, lean continuously improves in products. And second, extreme programming. Extreme programming is an agile framework applied in the field of software development. Its features first, new versions may be built multiple times per day to second, deliver increments to customers every 2 weeks. And third, ensure success before writing actual code. Fourth is explicit code and simplicity and said it's simple. And fifth is pair programming improves efficiency. Six is the project requirements are described in the form of user stories. Seven is team sustainable development. Eight is the project requirements are described in the form of user stories. Nine is customers need to participate. 10 continuous integration. Next is Kanban. Kanban features first is visualize the workflow, and the workflow will be presented. Second, limit the amount of work in progress to ensure there are not too many. Third is post system. When there is free capacity in the previous state, new work items will enter the workflow. Fourth is continuous improvement. Fifth is transparency, and Kanban's process is highly transparent. Sixth is flexibility. Kanban can be applied to various types of jobs. And Crystal is first interpersonal in relationships. The Crystal method requires mutual trust and cooperation between members. Second is adaptability. It will adapt to the complexity of the project and flexibility to adapt to various scenarios. And third is continuous delivery. The Crystal method will deliver frequently to obtain feedback at this stage. And fourth is incremental development. Fifth is pay attention to documents and tools, and developers should pay attention to them. Third is the differences between Agile and plan-driven development approaches. First, is project planning. Agile development methods are more flexible and allow requirements to change at different stages of the project at the beginning. But the plan-driven approach will develop detailed plans before the project starts. These plans will clarify all requirements before the project starts and try to avoid changes during the project. Second, the documentation and process. Agile development methods pay more attention to the interaction between individuals. It focuses more on working software. Typically, documentation for Agile methods is very streamlined and focused on meeting actual needs. The plan-driven development method requires a large amount of project documentation, which is used to clarify the content of the project, but sometimes it can lead to excessive documentation work and increase the complexity of the development process. The third is feedback and adaptability. Agile development methods provide continuous feedback to customers and continuous improvement. Customers receive product reviews at the end of each interaction to ensure the product meets the criteria. Plan-driven development methods don't test until later in the project, which can result in problems being discovered late in the project and last requiring rework. And the last is my advice for testing the Lucky Campus app in the school. And this app should feature campus maps, cafeteria menus, events, and a discussion forum for questions. These are reasons for why I choosing the Crystal. First is interpersonal relationships and collaboration. The project focuses on the interpersonal relationships and collaboration on the team, which is very useful for students to work in teams to develop applications. And second is adaptability. And in campus or C-array applications, the Crystal framework can adapt to the school's changing activities, menus or problem discussion forums, and third is the continuous delivery. The Crystal method will be passed frequently during this stage to obtain feedback, which can continuously improve the software. And fourth is diversity. The Crystal framework has several different frameworks, and you can choose the framework that is suitable for student auxiliary software. Thank you. That's all.